So, tell me about yourself.
About myself?
Sure.
Reginald, there's nothing really about me. I'm just a boring lady.
Come on, girl. There's a lot to talk about. All right, we can just talk about your love life. How have you been doing while I was abroad? Just talk to me.
My love life. Okay. I am married. Sorry. I was married. Yes.
I don't understand. You're married? You were married? What do you mean? I don't get that.
Um, yes, because I already filed for a divorce.
So why didn't you tell me? What happened?
He was a chronic cheat.
Your hobby is a cheat?
My ex.
Are you guys divorced already?
Well, I served him the divorce papers, but he's yet to sign it. That's for reasons best known to him. I wouldn't know.
I think he still loves you and doesn't want you to go. Yeah. Because I don't see anything so difficult there to sign. Yeah. So what about the kids?
Kids? The marriage didn't produce any kid.
How many years of marriage?
5 years.
5 years, no kids. So what could be the issue? Did you guys try to find out?
From my own side, I'm fine medically, but he vehemently refused to go for a fertility test, so I wouldn't know. But the thing is that we are done, like done.
Tell me why you want a woman that you almost killed to come back to you. Maybe ran for her dear life. And I can tell you that where she is right now is better than where she used to be.
Listen, let me tell you. I'm going to fight with everything in me. I can't let my wife go. Doctor, whoever he thinks he is should give up on whatever way he feels about my wife. Because I will not let that happen. I will not live to let that happen. I made a mistake, yes. I was stupid, yes. And I'm ready to take corrections.
What's the fuse about? That woman was your lifesaver, yet you treated her with so much wickedness and hate.
That was in the past.
Oh, really? The truth is that you're a very wicked person. And I should keep my distance from you, because if I don't, you are likely to contaminate me with your evil heart. You're a mean person. I warned you, I begged you, I spoke to you like a friend, I advised you against all this evil that you were doing to her. What did you do? You called me a fool who wasn't making sense because you were enjoying the waste of your secretary. Now you're here blabbing. You want to fight, you want to kill. She's now your everything.
Enough, please, enough of all of this. I just told you what I told you.
Mabel, I must confess you're such a wonderful and good woman. You hardly can see a woman who would do such for a man these days. The type is rare. Well, I think you should just forgive him since he has realized his mistakes.
Forgive him? I can't go back to him.
Come on, Mabel. You just need to forgive him.
I can't.
You have to, Mabel.
Reginald, listen. It's actually not easy to forgive a man who treated you like nothing. Like you don't even exist.
Mabel, if I ask you to leave your marriage to be with me, then I am not a good person. Yes. You see, marriage has its ups and downs. Not all marriage is sweet and rosy, but you just have to work it out for yourself.
Mine was worse.
Love is pain, Mabel. You love your husband.
He's not my husband. My ex.
Mabel, the love you have for Pascal made you do the things you did for him even when he never appreciated it. But this is still not enough reason for you to walk out of your marriage. Don't you understand? Alright. Now listen. Your marriage is not toxic. He doesn't beat you. He only womanizes. Make it up with him.
I have to be very honest with you. I did everything within and out of myself to make this marriage work. The truth is, Pascal doesn't love me. It won't work.
That's not true. There is no man with his right senses that will not love a beautiful woman like you. You are an epitome of beauty. Don't you know that? You are beautiful. Have you really stood in front of the mirror to look at your beautiful face? Your curves? I mean, your overall beauty? Baby, you're so beautiful. Do not let anyone tell you otherwise. Okay?
Hi, babe. How's your night?
Stop this thing. And look, enough of this baby thing. I am not your baby, I am your boss. Stop this thing. You don't listen. I am your boss, okay? When you come, see, and don't cross here. You're supposed to stay there and say whatever you want to say. Don't be a baby from West.
Stop this now. I just came here to give you good morning kiss as usual.
Come, look, listen. Go to your office. Some boys are coming for supply. Go and prepare their invoice now.
I don't understand.
Go to your office and prepare the invoice. They are coming for some. Come, are you okay? You don't listen. Wait, you don't listen. Are you deaf? I said go to your office and prepare the invoice when people are coming so you can supply.
Baby, it is me. You're missing something. It is me. Sweet and the middle. Hey, look, it's me now. It's me.
See, my advice to you is leave this thing you're doing. Leave people's husband alone. I am someone's husband. Pray to God to give you your own husband so you can do all this sweet in the middle with him. Do you understand what I said?
It's quite obvious that log of wood, that piece of furniture decoration that you call your wife has pissed you off. Now you want to transfer the aggression to me, that ugly thing that...
Don't talk about my wife like that. If you must know, my wife is the most beautiful woman on earth.
That's a big lie. You told me that she was an ugly ape.
I didn't say
that I was the most beautiful.
No, I didn't say that to you.
You said it!
Even if I said that, that was a joke.
What?
Biggest joke of the century. My wife is the sweetest I've ever seen.
Gandusa.
Yes, you heard me clearly.
You're joking, right?
I'm not sorry. Well, what's all this thing? Are you asking your boss?
Let me ask you a question. What's even giving the divorce? Why are you guys not yet divorced? I mean, I can't even wait to be your wife. I know all those things you're saying is a joke. You're stressed. Let me just give you a wonderful massage and a BJ. You will love.
I'll give you flying nod, you know. I'm not playing with you. Is it that you don't listen? Go and soak your chaplet inside water and pray to God to give you your own man, to give BJ. Leave someone's husband alone. Leave someone's husband alone. I am married. Happily married. Pray to God to give you your own husband. Stop giving someone's husband BJ. Go and give your own BZ. Leave someone's husband alone. That's what I have to tell you. And enough of this crossing. When you come here, you sit here, stand here. I tell you whatever I want to tell you.
I was on my own. I was on my own and you came to me. Let me tell you something. I am sweet in the middle. I decide when someone leaves and when I'm done with someone. And as far as I am concerned, I'm not done with you.
I was on my own, and I'm telling you now that I don't want to do it again.
Baby, look here.
Come on, get out of here. Go on, come on, get out of here. Don't listen. What's that?
Listen, I will not say this. I won't. Why are you getting yourself worked up? I mean, what's the fuss about? This man suddenly realized that he has a very beautiful, sexy, loving, caring wife at home and needs to face his family. And you're not okay with that. Why should I be okay with that? Why should I be okay with that? After suffering me at different locations, where didn't we have it? The restaurant, hotels, toilets, club, office, meeting hall, name them. And now he feels he can just use and dump me just like that. I won't take it.
What will you do? No, what are you going to do? Because this is a clear case of a babe being very comfortable having an affair with a sugar daddy. You knew from the very beginning that this man is married, happily married. You just went. You want to spoil it by all means. And now he says, I don't want to do again. I have repented. All things are passed away. Behold, all things are become new.
Shut up your mouth.
And you want to kill yourself.
See your lotion they put Bible. Asharamutu like you. Cheap one, cheap article. See this one. See, let me tell you, I am sugar. I am sweet in the middle. I am the mother hen. I call the shots. I tell when the relationship starts and I tell when it ends. And as far as I am concerned, I am not done with Pascal. As a matter of fact, we are not done. He's going nowhere.
Whether you're done or not, he just abandoned you. I mean, he just dumped you. What are you going to do about it? See, all I will advise as a good friend that I am is you repent as well. Repent, give your life to Christ.
Pascal, after making me run away, insult, lose so many single guys that were coming for me because of you. You promised to marry me. You promised to divorce your wife and get married to me. Now you want to dump me. You are yet to see the last of me. You will feel the wrath of a stark raving mad woman.
Sugar, I hope you're not planning on going to meet the wife for any reason, because that is not going to be fair. Don't even think in that direction. I'm begging you. I'm begging you, whatever it is you're gathering in this your head now, I will just advise that the best thing to think about now is just to repent. Leave that woman alone. You've tormented her enough.
I am not surprised. Look at you. Today you're wearing multicolored dress. It actually shows that your senses are not functioning anymore. You just switch like a chameleon. You turn to green, you turn to red, you turn to yellow. Damn.
I warned you. Didn't I warn you? How can a married man tell you to leave your single boy and your single boyfriend and you did?
Go and take your pills.
Which
It's evening already.
This boy, thank God, he now has sense. Sweet in the middle. You just want to ruin this guy's life. For what now? Ruin his life, ruin his marriage.
Shut up, eh?
Rest now, don't make noise for my ear. What's happen? They don't dump you now if they can't make noise. When it was sweeting you, you did not allow me hear what? See, respect yourself.
I want you to go straight to wipe your eyes now.
Come in.
Good day, Mr. Pascal.
What are you doing here?
Calm down, Pascal.
What are you doing here? Don't tell me to calm down. What are you doing here?
Listen, there is no hard issues. I come in peace. Alright, can I sit?
Sit for what? I asked a very simple question. What are you doing in my office?
We need to talk, but I think I need to sit down to talk with you. Well, if you don't mind. Pascal, how could you? Huh? How could you?
How could what? What the fuck are you talking about?
How could you just let the precious gift God gave to you to slip off your fingers? Huh? I fell for that girl when my dad sent the picture of that beautiful woman to me abroad. Okay, if you must know. My dad has been trying to hook us up together right from my youth service days. Until he called to tell me she disappeared immediately after youth service.
So you're here to mock me?
I was very happy when father called me to let me know he found her again. Do you know I came over to this country just to marry Mabel before she told me a story? Pascal, you have a life in Mabel. Her aura is so calm and peaceful. I don't know if you don't notice all of this. Go for your wife. Bring her back home. Alright, run the fertility test she has been begging you for. That's not too big to offer you marriage to have a happy home.
I've done the test.
You did? So how come she's not aware?
I've done it.
So you ran the test without deeming it fit to tell your wife? So what's the test result?
Fertile.
Well. Alright, let me see the result to be sure of what you're saying. Can I see it? What? Impressive. This is really, really nice. Okay.
So when you came initially, I was thinking that you're here to mock me. I really don't know what I was thinking, but listening to you, all I see is a man who wants me to go back to my family. Please, I want you to help me. I want my wife back. I'm deeply sorry for everything that happened, and I'm ready to take corrections. I'm ready to own up. I'm ready to be that man that she married, that man that she used to know. I'm ready to change my ways.
Mr. Pascal, you see, she's really, really disappointed in you. I mean, you broke her heart into tiny pieces that is so difficult to gather.
I know. I did a whole lot. I'm ready to bring my wife back.
Mr. Pascal, I will advise to get a life back with your wife. Love her. Show her affection. Care for her. I mean, this is not too big for you to offer your family just to have a happy home. But you know what? First and foremost, kneel down and ask her for forgiveness. Because if she genuinely forgives you from her heart, whatever you're looking for, you just get them on a platter of gold.
The thing is that I don't even know where to... I don't know where she is. I've seeked for her, as a matter of fact. I've asked her friends, cousins that I know. I don't know where she is. I am ready. I'm ready, deep down ready to bring my wife back, to change my ways. If I ever have anything to do with another woman that is not Mabel, let me drop dead. That's how far I'm ready to bring her back. Please, help me. Help a brother.
Impressive.
Please.
Impressive. It's alright, I'll see what I can do about it. At least, if you're really a changed man, then it's going to be better for you. I'll see what I can do about it, alright?
Thank you.
He went for the paternity test. How come Dr. Damien never told me about it?
You see, Pascal actually told doctor not to inform me about it. Mabel, I want you to go back to your husband.
Reginald, you came back for us. So what happens to us?
Mabel, in as much I know what you went through in your marriage, I want you to go back to your man. You need him back.
This was not what you promised me.
Mabel, you never told me you were a married man.
I was!
Listen, Pascal wants you back. He loves you. Yes, Pascal was pleading, pleading like a child. I want you to go back to him. Okay?
When he has not told me the results of the test he carried out.
Yeah, the result is negative. As a matter of fact, Pascal is very much okay to father a child. You need him back. Go back to your man. Okay? I can categorically tell you that I am not actually seeing all of these things you just mentioned. Do you know what I see? I see a reformation of marriage. Pascal is a changed man. The Pascal I spoke with today is regretting all of his actions, and he has promised never to repeat all of this again. So please go back to your man. Okay? Please. He loves you.
every day of my life. I keep praying to God to bring you home. I keep praying to God to correct the mistakes that I made. I keep wishing for the day you will come back home. The truth is that you don't deserve to have me. You're an angel in human form. You're the best thing that has ever happened to me. The precious gift God gave to me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for my foolishness.
No, you don't have to kneel.
No.
Pascal, get up.
I have to kneel. I deserve every punishment from you. I will not stand up until you forgive me. I'm sorry.
I forgive you. Just get up.
I give you my heart, my soul, my everything. Boy, you turned away, chasing fleeting dreams. I waited in silence, hoping you would see the love that I offered, the woman I could be. I've been crying, rain, night after night, hoping you would come back.
Very stupid and unreasonable girl. That girl is very stupid. Can you imagine?
It's okay. That was good.
Honey, imagine the gods.
It's okay. That is history now. I also want to let you know that I've sacked her. I don't want any form of distraction at work.
I'm proud of you, honey. And I'm so happy to have my husband all to myself. I love you.
In your selfish ways, I whispered my fears, for you turned a deaf ear. Now I am left with dreams of a love that was there.
Sugar, what's up with the mood? What happened? I guess it didn't go well. What's up? The wife is back. Are you serious? She threw me out of the house. What? The worst part of it is that she was not even listening to anything I was telling her about Pascal. She even ordered the gatesman to fling me off the house. I have never been humiliated like this all my life. I've never. Sugar, no longer sweet in the middle.
It's obvious.
A married man that stood before an ordained priest and before the altar of God and said, I do. For better, for worse, I do. To his wife. Asked you to leave your single boyfriend. A sweet relationship you had that was going very smooth. He said, leave it and date just me. And you agreed.
You're the biggest joker of the century. Seriously. As a matter of fact, you don't have sense.
You say?
You don't. Because if you do, you would have gotten Pascal to settle you. I mean, look at you. You're just too big for this nonsense that's happening to you. Think about it. I'm doing something in the kitchen.
See person with the advice person. Person not even there for relationship. When last will learn like you? Shut up.
Okay. But we don't have that. There's this new product I have that I'll send to you. I'm even using it in my living room upstairs. That's what I'm using. So you can put it in your visitor's room. You will love it. It has this bulb shape, and like it comes with five size tools. Okay, I'll send you the samples. It's something you can use in your lounge area. That first one I sent you is what I used downstairs. Then this one, just don't worry, let me just send a sample and let's see if it's what you're gonna like. Then tell me how many pieces. Okay, that's fine. I'll send it right away. Yeah. Sure. We are here to serve you better, my man. Okay, all right. Are you okay? Why are you smiling?
Guess what?
You got us a deal?
Something definitely more than that. Yes. Guess. What have you ever wanted?
A child.
Let's see if you got it. Ta-da! We are expecting.
My God. Oh my God, baby!
I bet you didn't see that coming. God is so faithful.
Yeah, I know I have hurt you 1,000 times.
I love you, man.
Please give me a chance to make amends, baby. A chance to hold you, a chance to love you, a chance to heal your broken heart. I don't deserve you. A chance to hold you, a chance to love you. I'll cherish you like the way that you are. Oh, yeah. You have cried for so many nights. I was really blind to see, distracted by my foolishness. If you give me one more chance, I will never break your heart. I will love you till the end. Baby, this I promise you. If you give me one more chance, I will never break your heart. I will love you till the end.